Ever feel like you're moving too slowly? Caught in a world that demands constant, rapid advancement? It's easy to feel like life is just passing you by when you're standing still. But consider the bamboo. For years, it shows no outward growth, quietly building a complex root system underground. Then, it shoots up. Remember, slow progress is still progress, and the most profound growth often happens unseen, preparing you for the moment you're ready to rise. Consider the Chinese bamboo tree. After its seed is planted, it remains unseen, buried deep within the earth. For 4, sometimes 5, long years, there is no visible sign of growth. Day after day, it requires faith to water and nurture the ground above it. It's easy to become discouraged, to question if your efforts are in vain, to believe that nothing is happening. Then, in the 5th year, something miraculous occurs. The bamboo breaks through the soil, and in a mere 6 weeks, it can soar to over 80 feet tall. Did the tree grow 80 feet in 6 weeks? No. The truth is, it grew during the 5 years it was underground, developing an intricate and powerful root system strong enough to support its eventual rapid ascent. All this time, you haven't been failing. You've been building your roots. Every small act of discipline, every moment of patience, and every ounce of resilience is creating the foundation for your own breakthrough. In a world that glorifies speed, it's easy to feel like you're falling behind. But true success isn't a race. It doesn't arrive early or late. It arrives precisely when it's meant to. It comes on time, aligned with your unique journey and readiness. So, that feeling of being slow? Reframe it. Your pace is not a mistake. It's deliberate preparation. Think of the bamboo. For years, it shows no outward signs of growth. But beneath the surface, it's building an intricate network of roots. This unseen work is what allows it to soar when the time is right. You are building your foundation. Every small, consistent action is a drop of water for your own roots. Keep watering your life with patience, with learning, and with rest. Trust that something big is growing beneath the surface. We take this journey one day at a time, one breath at a time. Focus only on the next right step, no matter how small. I return here often for calm reminders like this, moments to pause, breathe, and find strength again. If you need a quiet space to reset, you're always welcome to come back.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.